Nice fly, Wreck-It Ralph. I'm gonna send this shit to the Discovery Channel.
That's full? No. Should have had it on full. I did.
That's gonna be tough because you got nothing going over the wings. No prop wash, nothing.
I felt the torque, and then just before I threw it, I did not feel as much torque.
You know what's nice though is it didn't break the prop. What's that look like? Butt crack? The battery's still good?
Yeah.
Throw it up.
Going to.
I plugged the
Well,
motor.
the battery come unplugged.
The motor came unplugged.
Oh, yeah, everything came unplugged. Throw a rubber band around that thing, and you're good to go.
I got rubber bands.
The only thing is, get to straighten out the elevons and all that.
Does it have enough up? What do they call that? Reflex?
Well, Edward's a little bit different flyer than you are.
Yeah, it was wild, man.
Edward's more experienced crasher than you are.
Listen, Ted, if you can fly something at 230 miles an hour,
Start from right from here. We'll have to walk the stairs.
Oh yeah, and you got the downhill.
Holy shit, look at this thing go.
I guess the problem was Bob.
it was not. It was. I was like, this doesn't feel like full throttle. You said, yeah, dude. So I threw it. Bring it back down to earth.
What do you think called that guy? Oh, don't it? You get a little used to it, buddy?
I can't believe how good that thing's flying after. Does it feel nose heavy?
I think it really flies pretty good.
You got like no power on it. It's not like
I know.
falling out of the sky.
I think it really flies nice.
No ASX3 or nothing.
Oh, that's off! Shit, hit the ground right there. Wow, straight up in the air.
Good job, buddy. It's amazing how when he threw it, you used full power. When I threw it, you used half power.
I think it was probably a Spectrum radio the first time. Signal failure.
That's a 3300, isn't it?
already hear it in my ear. You're a fucking asshole. Fucking asshole.
That thing looked brand new when I gave it to you.
Little heat gun. You know,